Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I'm Prince Sars from PFM TV. Please, what's your name and where are we and what's going on here, sir?
My name is Obidien Lawford. We are CBC workers. We are iron bender. Right now we are at PZ Junction. We're working on shoulders from the GT foot down to PZ. Means that we are still heading to Santana market, working on the shoulder. By the grace of God, it's going to be end down to a great project. The project is a very great project right now. The project is about we started on April this year. By grace of God,
April this year.
April this year. It's about 7 months or 8 months now. We are heading down. The project is a very great project, and we are moving towards the end of the project.
Budget.
The end of the project is we are way before UBA, where they are going to start flyover. That is where the
Before
project
you
will
pay
end.
that before this one.
Before Aresuwa, that's where the project will end. And we are still heading down. Right now, we are still working at bypass. We are still heading. The project is moving very well, very fast, and the governor is doing everything by his best to make sure that this project is still completed. I really thank for the governor. He's doing a very great job to make sure that this project is heading moving. Everything needed is need to apply for us.
Wetin dey worry una sef? Na crime and the crime for there. You be enter the person, you dey behave like person wey dey president well well. No provoke me this evening. When we go comot for dis place today, if you try am na talk you talk for here. Today work, anywhere you like carry me go. Today when I pay you, make I pay. Who kind nonsense be that one? If na so those people dey talk, they go don tell you wetin dey talk for here.
You see, this is how fast the work has gone, and that's the in charge, the general in charge here, taking it serious with them to be quick with the work, because it has not been easy indeed. Well, you can see this is the project that is going on here at the road extension at Sapele Road. This is PZ Junction at Sapele Road, and this is the current stage of the project.
Okay. You were saying something, bro.
Wow, these are the engineers, and this is how effective the work is going for them to be doing. Akpako for a reason. Edo is shiny. dough is shiny. Good morning, sir. Well done. Okpebholo. Okpebholo is walking.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Richard.
From which company?
CBC Global.
CBC.
So
So what's the purpose of this chemical on this company?
this chemical is to compact the concrete to make it not to have that mark, that scratching mark. That's the purpose of this chemical.
So what's the duration of this chemical? How long is it going to last on the concrete?
For the concrete, as long as the concrete lasts on this road.
So it won't break or
No.
tear. So that's what assures the work is very solid.
Very solid. The concrete here now. Before we brought it to the road here, take it to the lab to see if the concrete will carry the weight. You know, some of the car weight almost 40 something ton.
Yeah.
Most of them weight 30 ton. So the concrete here weight more up to 50 ton. So irrespective of the weight of the car that will apply this road, the concrete is capable to last for a very long time.
Shall you come out to talk? Shall you take us this when they crack out? This guy just the talk. What did they worry on ourselves?
Good afternoon, I'm Prince Osas from PFM TV. So what's your name and what's the current update here?
Good afternoon and you are welcome. My name is Muhammad Adam. I am working under CBC Construction Company where we are working inside building.
Okay. You say where is this location?
This is close to Santana Market.
Okay, close to Santana Market.
Along Sapele Road.
Along Sapele Road.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. So How has been your project so far? What's the current update of this project that is going on here?
As you can see from that junction, I don't know what it's called the junction now. So we have joined it through our junction. That's where we have started. You can see we are going to go.
Okay, sir. We saw that you are doing a very great job here, and the road is looking very sound and quality. So, how long has been your contract here, and when do we look forward to the accomplishment of this project?
As you can see, we have done this one, the main shoulder. The main road has been done, the main shoulder side.
Okay.
The other group, they are coming with the shoulder from back. Maybe very soon, if you go back like this, check it, you see the shoulder people.
Yeah, that they are plastering over here.
Yeah,
we have. Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Then that other side, Santana.
Okay, so far, so my last question, so far, have you been having challenges in doing this project currently? Have you been facing any challenges? Is the rain disturbing the sun, the weather? So have you having any challenges or the traffic that is here?
No, we are not having any challenge for now.
Okay.
Because rain give us chance. Now it's not raining season.
Okay.
It's only rainy season. We cannot continue work under rain because it's a concrete road, not asphalt. So now that it's not raining season, we can do like 200 or more than 200 meters every.
Wow.
Because it's not a rainy season. But during rainy season,
So that will make the work faster.
Make the work fast. During rainy season, we can do only like 80 meters.
Wow.
But now we can do 200 or more than 200 meters every. So no any challenge. And traffic, you can see the whole vehicle are passing through other out roads. You can see here it's really clear, no anybody that is stopping.
Yeah, this place is currently so free. Thank you very much, Engineer. What's your name again, sir?
Muhammad Nasir Adam.
Martin Adams. Thank you very much for meeting, sir. God bless you. Thank you. This is the current update from Sapele Road before Santana Market, between PZ and Santana Market. And we are bringing you the current news from PFM TV International. So as you can see, this is the continuation of the road. Now we are here at just after before Adesua Road. Yeah, so the other place we came to interview the other time for the road extension. So this is the continuation of it. Just left Santana Market, close to Santana Market now, and here we are at Adesua, before Adesua. This is the maze road, yeah? Yeah, this is opposite the maze, yeah. I'm not sorry. Opposite, we are here in the maze now, and this is the So what's up? These are men at work. The governor is working. This is engineer that is in charge here. Well done, sir. You are doing a very nice job. PFM TV is live here at PZ Junction along Sapele Road, Benin City. This is the road extension that is going on at the Benin Sapele Road. You can call it extension, you can call it, whatever you can call it, but it's a project that is currently going on here. You can see that Edo is shining right from bypass down to Ring Road. They are walking and the traffic are moving. They are all moving. So keep watching PFM TV and make sure you share this stream to everyone that needs to see it. Thank you very much.
Use